About to do the oil change. Jacked up. And I got a jack stand holding as well. Took the cap off for hopefully it's a better flow to it. I'm gonna go ahead and start the draining process. So I'll be back shortly with a little bit more. Now we have the oil draining here. As you can see. So now I just gotta wait for it to drain out and get working on getting the filter out. It's a pain in the butt for me sometimes because of I don't have a extension to get to it as easy. But here's the plug. I'll be back with more shortly. As you can see here, I got the filter out. A little video filter though. Alright, so I got the filter done. Put back in. I guess I should have showed a little bit of that, but you know, I'm sure it's done draining, just drip drip. So I'm about ready to put the plug back in and put the plug back in and start filling it back up. All that's done. Plug it back in. The filter's in. Really, the only thing left to do is start refill the oil. This is what I use currently. Even though a lot of people say that they don't use it or it's garbage or whatever. I've been using it for this is probably the fourth time I've done the oil change with it, and I haven't seen no problems yet. So I guess I'll continue to use it for a while until I have good reason not to. And someone else telling me it's garbage isn't really a good enough reason for me to quit using it. So, all right, so everything is done. Oil is put back in, and you can see I kind of missed a couple spots here whenever I was pouring it. My dog ran out of the house, I had to, get her back, all that kind of stuff. So that's that. Now I'm going to fire it up and see if there is any leaking going on, and we'll take it from there. Check this out, see what kind of need. I don't see anything, but just fired it up, so I'm gonna take a minute. Well, as you can see there, only thing that was visible was where I made a mistake and spilled the oil. Happens to me quite a bit, actually. I don't have to put it in there. Everything seems to be successful for now. I guess time will tell if it's truly successful or not, right? I guess I will end the video. Thanks for watching this. Just thought I'd bring you along for this. I couldn't film it all in sequence or as I've done it because no one to hold the camera and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I would show you in between the steps that I was doing. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification of future uploads. And until next time, have a blessed day.